Hello. Kedu. Inda. Bahoni. Sanu. 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 I don't know if that's correct. I'm sorry, guys. Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer and creator of Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you 3 simple things to do before you go out and buy organizing products. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below, down there. Organizing is a popular topic that a lot of us love to talk about. Trust me, I know, because your girl, she loves organizing. My life basically is organizing. And I get it, it's fun. It can be fun. It's freeing, clarity. It's great, and I get it, trust me. But what I notice is before people actually organize their space, the first thing they're doing is going out and buying organizing products. Look, shopping helps remove the stress, the exhaustion, the overwhelm you get when organizing a space, because organizing a space requires that you make a lot of decisions. It's a mental thing more so than it is a physical thing. So I understand why shopping is usually on the top of people's list when it comes to organizing a space. But what people don't understand is there's a few things you need to do before you go out and buy organizing products. And the first thing you need to do before you go out and buy organizing products is to first know exactly what items will be sitting in or on said organizing products. So in order to do that, you must declutter. I know, I have been preaching decluttering for so long, and there's a reason why. Decluttering allows you to know, to see how many things you have in your space to determine the amount of organizing products you need to organize those items. So the best way to declutter, the easiest way to declutter is to take everything out, go through everything, figure out what you want to keep, what you want to donate, what you want to sell, what you want to give away, whatever it is. Figure out the items you want to keep, most importantly, because those are the items that you love. Those are the items that will be sitting in organizing products. Once you know that, you are off to a great start. So the second simple thing to do before you go out and buy organizing products is to have a budget. Regardless if your budget is $20 to $1,500, it's important that you know how much you'll be spending on organizing products. Because remember, organizing products aren't always cheap. Because this industry is a multi-million-dollar industry, companies are coming out with organizing products every single minute, and those prices are reflected. If you want to be on the right track when it comes to organizing a space, know your budget, know how much you're willing to spend. And to figure out a budget, all you have to do is go online, look through tons and tons of organizing products, see which ones you like, write down that total, and that is your budget. Of course, you have to be comfortable with your budget because you don't want to end up like I used to end up and be shocked once the cashier told me how much I was spending. I would be shocked. You want to know how much you'll be spending. You want to know your budget. So when you go in there, you know exactly what you're getting. You know exactly how much you're spending. And just with that, you're already on a good foot when it comes to organizing your space. Know your budget, guys. Please know your budget. I know a lot of us hate to do that, but when you know your budget, you don't have to worry about spending too much. You don't have to worry about wasting money, throwing money away, because you know how much you're willing to spend. So the third simple thing to do before purchasing organizing products is to measure the space your organizing products will be sitting in or on. You gotta measure, guys. I know. It's one of those tedious jobs we just hate to do, especially if you hate reading measuring tapes. I get it. But the thing is, when you measure your space, when you know the exact dimensions or the exact measurements, you're more likely to purchase the correct organizing products for that space. I have come across so many individuals who buy the wrong organizing products because they don't fit and they end up being clutter. And that is not the goal when it comes to organizing your space. You want to avoid creating clutter. The goal is to make your space more functional, more clear, more aesthetically pleasing in some cases. And the last thing you want to do is create clutter because you purchased the wrong item. So measure the space where the organizing products will be going in so you can purchase the correct organizing product for your space, and then you can avoid that hassle of buying the wrong thing. Because the last thing you want to do is to be frustrated because the organizing product that you purchased to organize your space doesn't fit. No one wants that. No one wants that. So if you follow any of these tips I gave you before you purchase organizing products, you will be on the right foot, the right path when it comes to organizing your space. Trust me. Do you trust me? I trust me. So let me ask you guys a question. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to review organizing products. There might be some organizing products that you're thinking of getting, but just haven't bit the bullet because you're not sure if it's actually going to be functional or if it's actually worth the price. Let me know. I'd love to review it for you and help you make the decision. So what I'll do is I'll start some type of like thread down below in the comment section. I'll ask you guys a question and you can just reply to that comment. Don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. Don't know. So we already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.